Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
It's super annoying when your Cronus Zen keeps cutting out during a crucial game on your PS5, isn't it? Many players face this, and thankfully, there are several solid solutions to get things running smoothly again. This guide will help you understand why these disconnections happen, and more importantly, how to fix them for good. We're here to make sure your gaming experience stays seamless and uninterrupted, so you can focus on the fun. Before diving into complex settings, let's cover the basics. First, double-check every physical connection. A loose cable is a common culprit. Next, always ensure your Cronus Zen firmware is completely up to date, as new updates often include crucial bug fixes. Finally, try plugging your Zen into a different USB port on your PS5, particularly one on the back, as they sometimes offer more stable power delivery. Your PS5 power settings can impact USB stability, so ensure supply power to USB ports in rest mode is set to always. Also, within the Cronus Zen settings, double-check your USB communication method, as an incorrect setting can cause issues. Sometimes, nearby wireless devices like routers or other Bluetooth accessories can create interference, so try to minimize these around your setup for better signal integrity. For optimal performance with your PlayStation 5, make sure your Cronus Zen's output protocol is correctly configured. It's often best to set this to PS4 or Auto for PS5 compatibility. Double-check that the specific game profile you're using is properly loaded onto your device. If you've tried everything else, a factory reset of your Cronus Zen can often clear out any corrupted settings or lingering issues, giving you a fresh start. As a final step, try a complete power cycle. Turn off your PS5 and unplug it, then unplug your Cronus Zen, wait about 30 seconds, and plug everything back in. Always keep an eye on the official Cronus Zen forums and community pages, as new solutions or firmware updates for the PS5 are frequently shared there. Sometimes, simply upgrading to a higher quality, shielded USB cable can make a surprising difference, providing a more robust connection for your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.